Hey car enthusiasts, petrolheads, and off-road adventurers, buckle up because we're taking a sneak peek into the future of luxury and performance with the Land Rover Jaguar 2024. This isn't your average car reveal, it's a glimpse into a design philosophy that redefines what it means to go anywhere, do anything, in style. Land Rover and Jaguar, two iconic names in the automotive world, coming together to create something truly special. The 2024 models embody a seamless blend of their rich heritage with cutting-edge innovation. Think rugged Land Rover capability infused with Jaguar's sleek sophistication. It's a match made in gearhead heaven. Forget boxy SUVs and predictable sedans. The 2024 models boast a completely new design language. Imagine sharp lines that dance around sculpted curves, hinting at both power and agility. The signature Land Rover grille evolves, becoming bolder and more integrated, while Jaguar's fluid elegance shines through in elongated headlamps and a sportback silhouette that begs to be driven. But the 2024 isn't just about pretty faces, it's packed with next-gen tech that elevates the driving experience. Think high-powered off-road assistants that navigate the toughest terrain with ease, and a fully connected cockpit that keeps you informed and entertained wherever the road takes you. Imagine intuitive gesture controls and a heads-up display that puts all the vital information right in your line of sight. Whether you're a city slicker or a weekend warrior, the 2024 has a powertrain to match your thirst for adventure. Choose from a range of hybrid and electric options that deliver exhilarating performance with minimal emissions. Or, for the purists, there's still the option of a refined, fuel-efficient petrol or diesel engine. No matter your choice, you're guaranteed a driving experience that's both smooth and exhilarating. The 2024 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who crave adventure, who don't let boundaries define their limits. It's for the explorers, the pioneers, the ones who push the edge and demand the best from themselves and their vehicles. So, are you ready to experience the future of Land Rover Jaguar? The 2024 models are more than just cars, they're a symbol of freedom, luxury, and endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to rewrite the rules of the road. Head over to the Land Rover Jaguar website to learn more and register your interest, and don't forget to share your thoughts and excitement in the comments below.